Hi, my name is Michael Dedina. I also go by Mike. I live in Scotts Valley. I'm originally from the Chicago area, although I've been out in California for something close to 25 or 30 years. I went to college at Indiana University. I initially studied psychology and then cognitive psychology, and then I switched to computer science. I got a master's degree in computer science. So over the last few decades, I've been mostly working for IBM on software development tools. I've worked on compilers for a while, and then on various IDEs. And most recently, I was working on an IDE which ran on Windows and Linux, but it was for mainframe developers. So for like old-time COBOL, PL1, and assembler developers. But our tool was based on the Eclipse framework, and so all the code, most of the code I wrote was in Java. So how did I end up at the coding dojo? So I know how to code already, but working at IBM all these years, I kind of feel like a bit of a dinosaur. I don't really know much about web programming, and I was laid off by IBM, and I don't really want to do that kind of work anymore anyway. And so web development seems like the way I want to go now. It seems much more interesting. There's a lot more jobs out there for web developers, but I'm really trying to figure out where to go next with my career. So I'm hoping, in addition to learning web development technologies at the Coding Dojo, I can get some ideas about where to go next with my career. I'm in my 50s. I've probably got another 10 years to go. Want to do something interesting. As far as general interests, I used to be into music a lot. I played jazz trombone. I just gave that up less than a year ago. For a while, I was trying to learn Arabic accordion. If most people don't know there is such a thing, but I have a teacher who tunes accordions for the Arabic scales, and spent some time trying to learn that, and that convinced me that I should just give up on music for a while, because that was really difficult, Arabic accordion. But so I'm interested in music anyway. I'm also I meditate. I did a 4-year program a few years ago in Kriya Yoga philosophy, which is just mainly about meditation. So let's see. I did write in my last job for a company called Tiger Logic. I wrote one mobile app front end. It was a hybrid app. We used Cordova. So so I'm hoping to be able to do for my project to do something like that. So I didn't see hybrid apps as part of the curriculum for the dojo, but it seems like it's still the same technologies, the web technologies. I used AngularJS for that app. It was a simple app. I spent about 2 months on it, but I did get some basic introduction to web technologies doing that. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about just getting web apps going. It just seems like a lot more fun than the things that I used to do. I do have an idea for a mobile app that would involve communication, like in a traffic situation. So you would get your app would get notified when another user using that app came in close proximity proximity to you on the freeway, and I had some ideas. I was talking with my nephew. He had some ideas about how that could be useful. Anyway, so that's it for me. Thank you.